How's it going? Anything that makes you feel better, I think people say, hey, go for it. And when I remember started losing my hair and people would look up and you start to notice you get a little self-conscious, or to be honest, wearing a hat sometimes and your hair is not the same, or you're getting out of the pool. There's that element of, you lose a little bit of confidence, and to have the opportunity to go back to where it was, I think is a pretty big deal. I think I'll appreciate it way more once it happens, to be honest, and I'm really looking forward to it.
What does a hair transplant mean to you?
It sounds silly, but way more opportunities to kind of do things you couldn't do before with your hairstyle, go out more, just feel a bit more confident, to be honest.
When did you first notice that you were losing hair or hair was getting thinner?
Probably early 20s. I didn't really want to believe it. My uncle's a barber, and he started telling me the roof is flying off. And I'm like, nah, you gotta be kidding me. And then every year, it happens gradually, so you don't really notice it, but then all of a sudden you're like, whoa, I've lost a lot of hair. I was always a little hesitant, but when you see the new technology, how quickly you recover, it makes it way more appealing.